Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here on the Scoop Studio at Productronica 2017, and I'm joined by Sebastian from Kuka. Tell me a little bit about your role within the organization and what you do, and then we can explore what's going on in robotics at the moment.
Hello, my name is Sebastian. As you said, we are responsible for a small group inside Kuka. It's called Application Engineering Team, and we are developing applications with the light-built robot, light LBR EVAR, within all the different fields of automation, especially as well for the 3C market, the electronic branch.
Okay, and when you look at robotics and their role alongside human beings, we use the term cobots. I don't know if you're using that term, but where do you see that developing in the SMT field, the field we're in today?
Cobots are called human-robot collaboration robots at Kuka. Especially the LBR is one of them at Kuka. There are two versions, 7 and 14 kilogram. And we use them to, for example, for SMD handling. We handle the cassettes from the logistic to the feeder, for example, at an SMT line.
Okay, so down at an SMT level. And then there's also the discrete manufacturing that happens off the SMT line. You finding fields in there where you're working in this industry?
We are handling the boards, if you mean that, after the production. For example, there's one actual project at Fujitsu, and we are handling boards inside a inline circuit test. IC test, yes, the inline circuit test, and the robot is handling it while it is possible to walk into that application, as it is an HRC application.
Okay, that's perfect. And you mentioned collaborations with Fujitsu, but this industry is all about finding the right collaborations, finding the right partners. You're working with partners in the electronic manufacturing space at the moment.
ASM, for example, is one of the companies we are working, and there we have an application that the robot is taking an SMD roll outside a machine, a logistic machine, and just handling it to a magazine where an HEV takes the SMD rolls in a cassette and brings it to the line. So it's just a part of the logistic where we are using this LBR.
Okay.
Also HRC here, it is possible to walk into this application and just supervise it, for example, or make some modifications during the robot is working.
Okay, and all part of that is the integration to this kind of smart factory industry 4.0 environment. What kind of communication protocols do you use, and are you active in things like the Hermes standard?
Kuka has their own cloud service, which is, for example, Konyun, and they are handling all the data, for example, also the data from the LBR. Whatever you are able to imagine, it's possible to bring it to the cloud, and then Konyun, which is a part of Kuka, is able to do things whatever with this big data. It's just, there are some ideas for predictive maintenance, for example, is one big point, or just supervising big robotic lines with this technology.
Full traceability. Yes. Good stuff. Well, I think there are lots of robot and cobot opportunities in this industry, so exciting times ahead. Thank you very much, Sebastian. Thanks for your time.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.